Mitolo's story started in 1972 when my dad started a business out here in Virginia packing onions for growers, and that progressed into the late 80s where we started growing our own onions in the Riverland. Onions are quite an intensive crop, so they take about 6 months to grow. We grow most of our onions in the Riverland and Mallee, ideal climate and very good sandy loam soils which are good free draining. And it's important to have long rotations on your soil so that disease pressure doesn't build up and can maintain your quality.
A humble and unassuming vegetable, Australian onions are used as a staple in almost every kitchen. But a lot of people don't think of onions as a star ingredient. We recently took a group of food service professionals straight to the source to Mitolo Family Farms in South Australia to peel back the layers of this fascinating ingredient and discover different ways onions can be used across food and restaurant menus.
One of the things I love about onions is how many different flavour profiles I can get out of an onion. And that's what elevates it to just, something you start a bolognese with into something that is actually the star of the dish.
Tangy, tasty and versatile, Australian onions can be used in all sorts of ways. They become sweet and succulent in roasts and braises and can taste bittersweet if charred until blackened. An onion is not just an onion, of course. Different varieties range from light and delicate to sharp and crispy, making them suited to a wide range of culinary uses. Australian onions also add a myriad of health and nutrition benefits to dishes, from supporting gut to heart to brain health. There's so much to love about Australian onions. If you'd like to learn more about onions and how you can hero them in your menus, head over to the food service pages of the Australian Onions website, which have been specifically designed for food service professionals.